just finished eating in the Canny Hill Bakery. So now we are heading back home. Right now we are in where we are, Edison.
I'm not too sure.
We are in the Georgetown Baptist Church. So it's heavy rain, so Allison she need to drive safely. So it's very simple, very nice food, but delicious. Allison love it. So it's good. She enjoy, and also I enjoy. Once in a while we have to treat ourselves. So thank you, Lord, for this